Hello everyone, welcome to Happiness on Reels. This is your host Nishu. In this video, I am going to unbox Pigeon Handy Chopper XL. It comes with the capacity of 900 ml and you can buy this product from Flipkart. You can check the description box for the link of this product to buy this from Flipkart. The capacity of this chopper is 900 ml and it is also available in three sizes like 400 ml, 650 ml and 900 ml. And this is a manual chopper, so no need of electricity. This chopper is waterproof. It is easy to clean. It has 5 sharp stainless steel blades for fast and easy chopping. This manual chopper is ideal for chopping and cutting fruits, vegetables and nuts. This chopper comes with the warranty of 30 days only on manufacturing defects. Now let's see how the actual chopper looks like. So here in the picture you can see this is a sky blue color chopper and this is made with plastic material. This chopper is easy to assemble. It is dishwasher safe. It has long lasting polyester rope. In the bottom you can see the white rubber. It is the anti-skid bottom. It has the safe lock lid. This chopper has got 2 attachments. It has 5 blades in different locations so that it can be able to chop the vegetables which are put inside it. For chopping, first we need to fix this attachment in the bottom. This is the second attachment. This is a blender. It can be used for whipping cream, making lassi or beating eggs. By pulling the rope like this, you can chop the vegetables. So now let me show you how to chop vegetables in this chopper. Now I am taking 2 medium sized onions and I am cutting it into 4 pieces. So make sure before putting any vegetables or fruits you need to cut them into medium size and then put in the chopper. Now put the cap and lock the lid. Hold the body with one hand and pull the handle with the other hand until desirable results are achieved. So here you can see the onion is chopped. So now let's chop tomato. So I've taken 1 tomato and I am cutting it into 4 pieces and repeating the same process. Here you can see how it cuts the tomato. But let me tell you, in this chopper the tomato can become a bit mushy, not as like we chop with the knife. Here you can see the tomatoes are chopped. Now we are chopping green chilies. So for that I'm cutting the chilies into medium size. And repeating the same process. As many times you will pull the rope, it will give you a fine result. Very easy to use. Now let's chop peanuts. Let's see how the peanuts are chopped in this chopper. Wow, you can see the peanuts are chopped so nice. So this way you need to remove the blades first and then you need to take out your vegetables or fruits, and you can clean it with water. It's very easy to clean. So here you can see all the vegetables which I have chopped today for you. In my next video I would be showing the use of the second whipping ladder which was given in this chopper. So stay tuned. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel Happiness on Reels. Thanks for watching this video.